Happy!
Aljun, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ay, kuya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Happy birthday po, Kuya!
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Happy birthday, Boss Aljun.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, happy birthday, Pards.
Happy birthday, kuya Aljo.
Hi, Kuya Aljun. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninong Aljun.
Happy birthday, Aljun.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Aljun.
Happy birthday, pre!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, AJ.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Happy birthday, Aljun.
Happy birthday, Aljun.
Happy birthday, Ninong Aljun. Happy birthday, Aljun.
Happy birthday, Aljun. Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aljun.
Happy birthday, Aljun.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Pogi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Happy birthday.
Jun, anak. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo, bossing.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Birthday na ni Aljun! Birthday na ni Aljun! Birthday ni Aljun ngayon! Get, ow! Happy birthday, Papa Aljun! Okay, ang baklang nakatayo sa iyong harapan ay ang nilamon ng kumunoy, ibinugan ng bulkan, boom, palaktak, na isang mataba, ang nag-iisang Diyosa ng Kelowna, Jo Marie ang pangalan. Okay, baklang to. Aljun, happy birthday to you. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong birthday and more blessings to come, not you, but also to your family. Happy birthday again. Bye!
Yun. Nakita nyo naman, intermission number pa lang ni Papa Bakat, Papa Alamat, Kuya Joms, di ba? Matindi talaga. Bibilis ako na lang yung pagbati ko kasi marami pang mga susunod na artistang babati. Boss, Sir Manager Amo, Kuya Aljun, maligayang karawan sa'yo. Wish ko lagi ay ang good health at sana mas maging masaya ka palagi. At nawa, mas marami pang project na dumating sa'yo ngayong taon at sa mga susunod pang taon. May God bless you more, Kuya. Kita-kits!
Aljun, happy birthday! Many more to come. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Since 2022, you haven't just been a friend, but you're a family to us.
From fishing, camping, and sa lahat ng adventures hanggang sa simpleng kwentuhan, sobra naming na-appreciate.
Yun, thank you for all the fun moments. Hindi lang fun, kuya, pati yung alam mo na, yung mga mahirap na moments na pinagdadaanan as a temporary foreign worker. We really appreciate you and your family. Thank you so much for always being there for us. And God bless you more, Kuya Aljun, and your family. And sana maraming, what do you call that, babe? Blessings and contracts to come. Thank you, Kuya. Bye!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun. Pasensya ka na, nag-costume ako. Hello Kitty ang peg ko today. Pero yun nga, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Ayan, yun yung pinaka-importante. And maraming salamat sa friendship. And sana maging solid itong araw na to. Ngayong birthday mo, na puno ng saya and maraming food. And alam ko yan, hindi naman papakabog si Sister Connie. And syempre naman, kasama mo yung mga taong mahal mo at yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo at sumusuporta lalo sa'yo. And syempre, stay humble, stay kalmado, always. Simula nung nakilala kita, pinakakwela, pinaka-cool. Thank you so much sa friendship. Sa inyo dyan, ni Mrs. Connie, maraming salamat. And I'm always here for you guys, kahit malayo ako. Pasensya na, hindi ko na kinaya makauwi. Pero I will see you soon. Alam Mrs. Connie yan. Happy birthday mula sa akin and kay Mark. I'll try na bumati siya kasi nasa taas eh. Pero happy birthday. And hello sa mga taga-Kelowna!
Hi po, Kuya. Maayong gabi. Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa naitulong mo sa akin. And I just want to let you know that I am forever grateful that you are one of the person that helped me during these challenging times of mine. And I know that God will continue to bless you and your family for being humble and understanding. I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Gaya ng mga sinasabi ng mga tao ngayon, lahat sa'yo sa birthday mo, you really deserve it, and again, add more than that. Basta kung may kailangang tulong, kahit hindi financially, kasi alam ko namang napaka-bless mo na doon, nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun. Wish you all the best. I wish that you continue to be humble and kind. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa akin, especially sa amin. And I wish you na maging malakas ka palagi for your family and for us. Thank you so much and enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Love you.
Beb, birthday ni Kuya Aljun. Hindi happy birthday. May tanong ako sa'yo. Ano yung bagay na hindi mo makakalimutan kay Kuya?
Okay. Kay Kuya, the best yan. Yung bagay talaga na hindi ko makakalimutan kay Kuya is yung ugali niya talaga. Number 1 talaga yung ugali. Kung makasama niyo si Kuya na matagal, mapapansin mo talaga sa kanya na maganda talaga yung ugali niya. As in, the best talaga. Tapos, isa pa, napaka down to earth niya. Down to earth niya talaga. Napaka-humble. Tapos, kapag kasama mo siya sa trabaho, di mo mararamdaman na boss siya. Wala kang pressure na mararamdaman. Kumbaga, ayusin mo na lang yung trabaho mo kasi ginagalang mo talaga siya. As in, para siyang boss na tropa. Napaka the best niyang tao. Kaya mahal na mahal namin yan si Kuya Aljun. Okay, ako naman may tanong, Beba.
Yeah.
Anong ugali ni Kuya ang pinaka-ina-admire mo?
Ako, siguro is yung willingness ni Kuyang tumulong. Kasi siya yung tipo ng tao na hanggat may matutulong siya, itutulong niya talaga eh. No matter what. Walang kahit sino ka man. Basta kailangan mo ng tulong, andyan yan. Sure ball yun. The best talaga. Tsaka isa pa talaga nagustuhan ko kay Kuya kapag niyayaya ka niyang mag-fishing ng 3 a.m. Tapos uuwi kayo ng 10 p.m.
Walang huli.
Happy birthday po, Kuya! Hope to see you very soon. So, yung mga gustong sumweldo dyan, alam nyo na. Bye, guys!
Hi Kuya, may linis po ba tayo dyan? Baka naman. Biro lang Kuya, happy birthday sa'yo. Salamat sa buhay mo. Grateful kami dahil nakilala ka namin. Hindi lang bilang Kuya Aljun, kundi Kuya sa aming lahat. Salamat mula sa simula hanggang ngayon. God bless Kuya, happy birthday. Enjoy! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun!
Wish namin sa'yo good health and more blessing to come. And salamat sa mga pag-guide dito sa Canada. Laging nandiyan ka sa pagtulong sa amin.
And isa ka sa mga generous na tao na nakilala namin and continue to be a blessing to others, Kuya. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Boss Aljun from Abdallah family!
Thank you po sa lahat.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun. Thank you for always having a good heart for everyone.
Ay muna. Yun. Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun. Sana matapat pa yung mga plano mo sa buhay. Siyempre, maayos na kalusugan. Sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Salamat sa lahat. Alam mo naman yun, Kuya. Mahal ka namin.
Kinukuwang may birthday dyan at aking hahandugan. Happy birthday sa'yo, bossing. Ang ating langin sa iyo, nawa'y lumigaya ka. Sana ang maraming kaarawan. Happy birthday, boss! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Thank you, boss!
Happy birthday, Boss Aljun. Wishing you good health and happiness, and enjoy your day and good health, and always be humble. Thank you so much, Mr. Aljun. More birthday and more beer to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun.
Hi, Kuya Aljun. Happy birthday. God bless and hope you have more blessings to come and birthdays. Stay healthy.
And have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Aljun.
Birthday, Aljun. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, pre. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Lagi mo tandaan, pag may problema ka, nandito lang ako para sa'yo, okay? Amen, pre. Amen.
Maligayang kaarawan, Aljun.
Happy birthday, Aljun! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Tito!
Happy birthday, Aljun. Stay kind.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun. God bless always.
Hi, Kuya Aljun! Happy birthday! We wish you many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and God bless you. Bye! See you soon!
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Pogi. Wishing you a birthday filled with celebration and good health. I know you're so blessed for having a beautiful family, loving and kind-hearted wife. Doon pa lang, swerte ka na, Kuya. Just continue being a responsible, dedicated, and loving father to your kids and wife. Praying more success to your business. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito. Sabihin mo.
Happy birthday, Tito!
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun!
Happy birthday, Aljun! Happy birthday, Ninong Aljun. Happy birthday, Aljun! Ingat palagi kayo dyan lahat, nila Maricon at mga baby nyo. Happy birthday ulit, happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Aljun. More blessed to come, good health, you and your family. And God bless you from Israel.
Happy birthday, Aljun! God bless you and your family!
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun! See you all soon!
Happy birthday, AJ. Love ka namin. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Love you. Mwah.
2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Jay! We love you!
Happy birthday, Tito Aljun!
Kuya Aljun, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay para makapag-provide ka pa sa family mo and good health. Yun lang. And yun, binabati ulit kita ng maligayang kaarawan and regards sa inyo dyan.
Hi Kuya Aljun! Happy birthday po sa'yo. I am very grateful po na nakilala ko po kayo and I really appreciate po lahat ng tulong niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo ni Ate Con. Happy birthday po ulit! God bless!
Happy birthday, Ninong Aljun. More blessings to come and shot tayo pag pumunta kami dyan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang AJ. May God grant you all the desires of your heart. Sana makabisit ulit kami dyan para inom ulit si Noel may kasalo. Yeah, happy birthday. Namimiss na namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Tito!
Happy birthday, Kuya Aljun!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aljun. Happy birthday, Tutoy.
Happy birthday, Dong, Aljun.
Many years to come. Happy New Year and God bless to your family. Thank you for being goodness.
Hi, Pards! It's a perfect age. Old enough to know better, but is still young enough to do it. So, happy birthday, Pards!
Hi, Aljun. It's Mommy Malu here. Happy birthday to you. May your day be filled with joy and happiness. More blessings to you and to your family. I love you and I miss you all. Bye.
Sa aking mabait na manugang na si Aljun, isang maligayang bati ang aking pinaabot. Happy birthday, Aljun. God bless you and your family.
birthday! I love you, I miss you. Sana makapunta kayo dito. Magkaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na makapunta dito sa Pilipinas habang ang mga bata ay maliliit pa. At nang sila ay magkaroon ng experience dito sa Pilipinas. Sana magkaroon ka ulit ng marami pang business diyan. Lumago ang inyong hanap buhay sa mga darating na panahon. Mag-ingat ka dyan. I love you. Miss you. Bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday, Daddy! We love you! You're the best!
One look at you and I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found the best. Happy birthday, Daddy! Ang aga pa, kagising lang. 6 a.m. I tried to finish yung decoration para sa birthday mo. Surprise! I wish na ma-enjoy mo or nag-enjoy ka today sa birthday mo or sa salubong natin. And I hope nagustuhan mo yung surprise namin para sa'yo. I know yung iba naiyak ka, yung iba natuwa ka, but silang ibig sabihin nun na napakarami naming nagmamahal sa'yo. Dahil sa kabutihan ng puso mo, sa pagiging matulungin mo, sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan. Na-appreciate namin lahat yun. Lalo na ako kasi hindi lang ako kaibigan mo, partner mo rin, no? So, lagi mong tandaan sa lahat ng bagay, kakampi mo ako, hindi mo ko kaaway. So, kung mayroon mga disagreement or arguments, parte yun ng healthy relationship. So, and thankful ako na ikaw yung partner ko, no? Ikaw yung husband ko, ikaw yung better half, sabi nga nila. So, again, ang wish ko sa'yo, good health lagi kasi kailangan maging healthy ka para sa amin ng mga anak mo. And more blessings kasi deserve mo yan. More contracts, sabi nga nila. So, hopefully, enjoy mo yung video, surprise namin para sa'yo, pati yung family natin back home. Again, happy birthday and we love you so much. Lalo na kami ng mga anak mo. Love you, Dad. Love you, mahal.
Shot na!
Yeah!